Hello ma'am, I Ishu Tripathi with my team member Shivam Pandey, Srishti Jain and Sejal Sharma are going to present our presentation on the topic Budget for Textile Industry. So the textile industry. Let's first discuss what does textile means. So the basic meaning of textile is woven or knitted fabric made from yarn. But apart from fiber, yarn and fabric or any other product made from this combination are considered as textiles. So the textile industry is the industry which occupy unique position in the Indian economy as they contribute 14% to the industrial production and also 33% to the foreign exchange earnings, and also textile industry provide 30 to 35 million employment to the workers. Also, the textile industry has various sections like research, design, development, manufacturing and distribution of textiles, fabric and clothing. So, these are the major textile manufacturing players. As we can see in this image, the state Arunachal Pradesh, Hyderabad and Telangana are in the top of the ease of doing business. And also we can see in this image Gujarat. Gujarat produces approx 95 lakh bales of cotton every year, as this covered 30% of the total country production of cotton. So textile ministry in service of the nation. The Indian textile and apparel market was worth $102.2 billion in 2018, as it stood to approx $150 billion in the year of 2019, and also the market is further projected to reach $225.7 billion by 2024. And the government of India also introduced various initiatives for the improvement of the textile industry, like IWDP, Integrated Wool Development Program, approved by this initiative approved by Government of India, and also it provides support to the wool sectors. And there are the second initiative taken by the Government of India, that is it increase the basic custom duties to 20% from 10%, and also the 501 also introduced 501 products to boost Make in India and indigenous production, etc. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Shivam Pandey and I am here to discuss about Indian Textile Budget 2020. On 1st February 2020, Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman proposed National Textile Mission with an outlay of Rs 1,480 crore for 2020 to 21 to increase technical textile export. Rs 27,300 crore has been provided for development and promotion of industry and commerce. The crisis that textile sector was facing for last 4 years has been acknowledged and significant reform have been made to help the sector. The government has given special emphasis with fund allocation for textile sector in 2020 to 21 on infrastructure by 98.1%, on research and capacity building by 79.8%, and amended technology upgradation fund scheme by 54.1% as compared to the last year. The textile industry plays an important role in the economy by contributing over 13% of industrial output and over 2% to the GDP of India. The industry employed more than 4.5 crore citizens and contributed 15% to the export of India in financial year 2019. Now, further slides are continued by other members. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Srishti Jain and today I am going to discuss about some policies and infrastructure support to textile sector. The first one is financial and technical assistance through various packages and schemes like the Textile Minister Smriti Irani's rupees 1300 crore plan to upskills approximately 10 lakh youth. The second is tie-up with e-commerce companies. Here, the Ministry of Textile has signed Memorandum of Understanding with 20 e-commerce companies, and by ensuring that they get the right price for their right product, as they are able to sell their product directly to the customers. Indian e-commerce market is expected to reach $84 billion by the end of 2021. Now, the third one is setting up textile parks and mega cluster zones to provide the industry with world-class state-of-the-art infrastructure, facility for setting up their textile units and to facilitate textile unit to meet international environment and social standards. Now the fourth point is to establishing the wide area network of textile and apparel special economic zones across India. In the fifth one, 100% foreign direct investment is allowed on textile industry, which contributes 12% of India's total foreign exchange receipts, and loans for textile sector should be given at 7% rate of interest, which provide an impetus of textile investment. Now in the sixth point, GST was launched all over India effect from 1st July 2017. It would simplify the taxation structure. The GST on any piece of clothing or apparel would be taxed at the rate of 5% if the taxable value of good is rupees 1000 per piece, while if the sale value of taxable textile product is more than rupees 1000, then a GST rate of 12% is applicable. Now I am going to discuss about some schemes for the textile industry. As the Government of India has been implementing various policy initiatives and programs for development of textile and handicraft, particularly for technology, infrastructure creation, skill development, including the schemes like NIRVIK. NIRVIK is a scheme which provides high insurance cover for exporters. Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman on 1st February 2020 announced NIRVIK, which stands for Niryat Rin Vikas Yojana, which is also called as Export Credit Insurance Scheme, to provide enhanced insurance cover and produce premium for small exporters and simplified producers for claim settlements. Under this scheme, the insurance guaranteed could cover up to 90% the principal and interest and include both pre and post shipment credit. The second is Samarth. The scheme for capacity building in textile sector is a flagship development scheme. The industries are facing problem, the shortage of skilled worker, and provide many opportunities to unemployed youth of the country who get trained under this sector. The third scheme is group insurance scheme. The basic objective of this scheme is to provide insurance cover to the power loom weavers in the case of natural death, accidental death, as well as partial and permanent disability due to accidents. Now, the further slides will be continued by Sejal Sharma.
Good morning everyone. My name is Sejal Sharma. Today is my topic comparison. Textile and apparel industries in India is the second largest employers in the country, providing employment to 45 million people. It is expected that this number will be increased to 55 million by 2020. 2015 108 and 2016 137 increases. The domestic textile industries in India is projected to reach $2 billion by 2019 from $150 million in July 2017 and increasing 2020-21 to 23 financial year. Textile and apparel export from India. Indian overall textile export 2017 to 18 $39.2 million, expected to increase to $82.00 million 2021. Indian textile and apparel export stood $38.70 million 2019 and expected to increasing to $82.00 million by 2021. $11.92 billion 2020 up to July 2019. And textile and apparel export from Indian expected the increasing of USA dollar 82 billion by in 2020-21 from USA dollar 21.95 million in financial year 2019. And last, total cloth production in India financial year 2017 64.3 64.3 and increasing 63.6 billion square meter, and financial year 2016 64.6 and financial year 17 63.6. Cloth production between April 2017 Feb 2018 stood at 61.95 million square meter professionally, and financial 2019 increasing 40.6. Next slide. Comparison. The size of the Indian textile market as of the November 2017 was around USA dollar 150 million, which is expected to touch USA dollar 2 to 3 million market by 2020-21, growing at a CAGR of 2.28% between 2019 to 21 and 2016 increase Indian textile market size 108.5 USA dollar million. 2016 137.0 USA dollar billion. 2017 increase 150.0 USA dollar million. And 2020-21 223.0 USA dollar million. The new textile policy aims to achieve USA dollar 300 million growth of textile export by 2020-24 and 225 and create an additional 35 million jobs by 2020-22. The Indian textile sector will be require additional 70 million workforce. Thank you. Dollar 2 to 3 million market by 2020-21, growing at a CAGR of 2.28% between 2019 to 21 and 2016 increase Indian textile market size 108.5 USA dollar million. 2016 137.0 USA dollar billion. 2017 increase 150.0 USA dollar million. And 2020-21 223.0 USA dollar million. The new textile policy aims to achieve USA dollar 300 million growth of textile export by 2020-24 and 225 and create an additional 35 million jobs by 2020-22. The Indian textile sector will be require additional 70 million workforce. Thank you.